Ibid means in the same place. You can use it if you reference something and then want to reference the same source again in the next footnote. Note how I said you can use it. You don't have to. It's fine to just repeat the same information in consecutive footnotes. Your work will still be OSCOLA compliant if you choose not to use it. But using ibid can make your footnotes look a little tidier. The examples I'm going to show you are for references to books, but you can use ibid for any type of reference, a case, a journal article, whatever. Right, let's look at this example here. I've referenced the same book by Catherine Bernard in footnotes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each time I've quoted from a different page, so look how I've pinpointed the page number at the end of each reference. Other than that, the footnotes are identical. Now, look at how I use ibid. I reference the book in full the first time I use it in my footnotes. But in the next 3 footnotes, I can write ibid and just add the different page number at the end of each one. If I was referencing exactly the same thing twice, for example, the same page of the same book, then I can just write ibid the second time. I don't need to include the pinpoint if it isn't different. Now, ibid has a limitation. You can only use it to refer to the footnote immediately above. You can't use it to refer back to a footnote that occurred before that. Have a look at this new example to see what I mean. Again, Catherine Bernard is footnote 1. I refer to her again in footnote 2, so here I can use ibid. I now refer to a book by Alison Young in footnote 3. I want to reference Catherine Bernard in footnote 4. This time though, I can't use ibid because it means same as the last footnote, and that's now Young, not Bernard. So what can I do? Of course, I could just reference Catherine Bernard again in full in footnote 4, just like I did in footnote 1. But a nice trick is shown in footnote 4. I've included her surname and then N1. The 1 tells my reader, you can find all the information about the Bernard book in footnote 1. And then I've just got the page number 99 at the end of the footnote. Can you see the difference and see why ibid only works sometimes, but you can use this other trick at other times? Do watch this again if you need to. You can now watch any of the other OSCOLA videos in this series and also find good quality OSCOLA advice and guidance on the library website. And do get in touch with me if you're still stuck or confused. This second link will take you to my contact details.